chị Vivian's gonna put the Santa hat on you, honey. Santa Claus hat. Oh, that's nice. Keep it on, honey.
No, don't step in it. Please. Please wear it.
Con đội nón đi. Đội nón đi. Không chịu hả? Không chịu hả? She doesn't want it. Vivian à. Em nó không chịu.
Papa.
Bird, bird.
Papa.
Bird, bird.
No, yes, that's not a... No. No.
Vivian, don't climb on the table, sweetie. Elise, you want bird, honey? It's too heavy for you, honey.
Papa.
Bird, bird. Go over to the Christmas tree. Oh, Vivian ơi. Honey. Sweetie. Xuống đi. Xuống đi, Vivian. Oh. Vivian, don't push Elise nha. Bird, bird, Bird đó con, bird. Bird. Yeah. Elise đi ra check out Christmas tree cái con kìa. Christmas tree. Ornaments đó con, đi lại coi đi. Come over there and see. Bird, bird, bird. Are you calling bird? No, no, no.
Honey, they're not toys. They're fragile. They're fragile. Aunt Michelle might not like it if you break it.
Oh, don't give that to Elise, honey. She may break it,
Yeah,
honey.
we don't want to break this. We broke one before.
Good. You like the bird, honey?